All right, week 7, distance learning. We got Monday here. Language arts. This week is going to be a little bit different from other weeks. Actually, this week, week 7 and week 8, going to roll out all at once. You saw that in the overview. There's a little more on that, but you're going to be writing your myth, and this will just be one big assignment to go through this week and next week. Okay, so nothing due on Friday. All right, so let's take a look at what we're going to do today. Today we're going to take one last look at the myth of Arachne, and I want you to think about it in terms of you are just about to write your own myth. Okay, so click on the weekly link assignment, and that will pop up this week's assignment. And for today, you're going to watch that video, and when you watch the video, I want you to think about how this person told the myth of Arachne. It's a different telling. So it's going to be a little bit different than the one we read, but it's the same myth. You know, she gets into a conflict with a god and gets turned into a spider because of how she acted. So how does this start? How did the author get us into this myth? How's the main character introduced? Think about that while you're watching it. How's the conflict set up? Focus on the craft of storytelling. Tomorrow you're going to be writing your own myth, so I want you to think about this. In the beginning, what kind of information, first paragraph, how do they set up the setting, where it takes place, who the main character is, what starts the action. Pay attention to that when this story is being told. So tomorrow when you start to brainstorm your own myth, you can think about how am I going to get into the story. Sometimes the introduction part is a challenge for people. So back to this, the video itself is only 4 minutes long, 4.5 minutes long. So watch this and think about the storytelling. You know what's going to happen. Now just pay attention to how do they introduce the character, her trait that is a flaw, and then at the end, think about after she gets turned into a spider. There's more after this with the resolution, the falling action where it explains from this day on, you know, what happened. So watch this and just think about the plot diagram, the story arc, how it gets started, and so on. Okay? All right. Have a great day.